So it says, which phase describes one of the transformations of the graph of the parent function of cosine resulting in the function g? So when we look at this, so there's a b and c. A is 1 by default, d is 0 by default. Remember that what they're saying is f of x, well, let me do it in a different color. So what they're saying is f of x is just cosine of x. Now, if I follow this chart, that means that a then on these are the f of x terms. A is 1, okay. B is 1, C is 0, and D is 0. That's what that means. Okay. So then what's different on G? Well, on G, I need to make this look like B and C. So I've got to factor out this 2, right? Because if you notice here, x is all by itself. So when I pull the 2 out, what do I multiply 2 by to get negative pi? Well, it's negative pi over 2. Now remember, C does the horizontal shift. So when this is negative, C is actually a positive value. So remember, C is always the opposite. So that means you're going to move pi over 2 units to the right. And sometimes